Hello, I'm Derek and we're here today to talk about the most popular piece of equipment in the Irish signage and digital print industry, the Rollover Flatbed Applicator. Our experienced install team have installed nearly 150 of these machines for sign makers and digital printers throughout the length and breadth of the country. Customers ranging from single owner businesses whose biggest print house in the country have been saving time and money for years by using the Rollover Flatbed Applicator. Even some of the most experienced sign makers in the country have seen their business change overnight by installing the Rollover Flatbed Applicator. Rollover have now added some optional features which we can show you here today. One of the great new features on the Rollover Flatbed Applicator is the height adjustable legs. We know from customers that once the rollover is installed, it becomes the multi-purpose workbench. So with these new adjustable legs, operators and applicators of all heights can use the rollover for weeding and applying graphics. Another great addition to the Rollover Flatbed Applicator is the ability to add on a keencut benchtop cutter to the end of your rollover, which can speed up finishing, cutting and trimming of the variety of substrates that can be mounted onto using your Rollover Flatbed Applicator. Contact us here anytime at Sign+digital, where we'd love to show you how you can save time and money with the Rollover Flatbed Applicator.